Have you ever been created a roadmap that looked perfect on slide, but the moment manager asked why, you didn't have a clear answer? I was in their situation, and for a long time I didn't even realize what was I doing wrong. Let me start very honest from my own product manager experience. Earlier in my career, whenever I had to build roadmap, I used feature-based technique. This quarter, these feature, next quarter, those features, and another feature after that. And based on those features, I used to define success metrics. Everything looks perfect, everything looks planned, until one day my manager asked one simple question. Why we are prioritizing these 10 features in quarter 1 and these in quarter 2? Honestly, I didn't have a strong answer. And when next question came, how actually these features contribute to our OKRs? Again, I struggled. I can explain why we are building these features, but not why it matters. That moment taught me something very important. My roadmap looked busy. It was impressive enough, but it was not that defensible. I couldn't clearly explain why this feature now, why not later, what business outcome it's really driving. If you ever been in this situation, you are not a bad PM. You are building the roadmap in a way that makes them hard to explain. It happens with lot of PM, especially early in their career. The problem is not PM don't work hard. The problem is most of us are taught to think in future first. But leadership don't think in future. They think in outcome, confidence and trade-off. That's when I started changing how I build roadmap. I moved from feature based to outcome driven roadmap. Roadmap that I could explain calmly. Roadmap that I could defend in leadership review. In this series, I'm going to walk you through the exact shift. No theory, no template, but the real process. Now I used to. It starts with the goal, problem, experiment to a calm roadmap. In the next video, we will start with the first decision that fixes most of roadmap problems. Who we are building for and how that decision shape everything else. If this felt similar, you are going to watch the next one.